Welcome to Zarai AI, Africa's first AI-powered job application assistant. This is our homepage, built to help you land your dream job faster using smart automation. Click Try AI Freemium to get started with no payment required. First, tell us about the job you're looking for. Like job title, preferred location, job type, and expected salary. Next, upload your resume and describe your ideal job. Click Submit, and our AI will automatically match and apply to jobs for you 24/7. Our users have tracked over 12,000 jobs, submitted 7,800 plus applications, and achieved a 95% success rate across 15 African countries. Join Zarai AI today, and let technology apply for jobs while you focus on what matters. Visit zarai.cv or follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Telegram.